Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to make gay in Infinite Craft. So first of all, grab water and earth. Now you have a plant. And now burn with fire and you have smoke. And plant again. And smoke. And now incense. Now smoke the angel. And you have the child and now you have teenager. Right? Teenager. Now the baby. Oh, sorry, child. Adult. And fire under it. And another fire. Another fire. And now we have water. Now you have stone. Now you see lava. And use a stone. Now add human to the blade. Now another obsidian. Now we'll sacrifice the family. And you have love. And now you have marriage. Water. Water. Lake. Now wind. Now water storm. You have rain. And another rain. So you have a rainbow. And combine them. And now you have this. I think that's enough. Hope this helped. And see you later. Bye.